Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Now run the following command to install Laravel's dependencies, including the LAMP stack. Check the ATTENTIVE-server status with the following comments. Also check the mariadb and PHP. Now let's install Node.js. To install Node.js and npm on your Ubuntu using the following command. When the installation is finished, enter the command below to check the Node.js and npm version. Now let's configure PHP. Using the NANO editor, edit the default PHP config file. Uncomment the following lines to enable PHP extension file info, mbstring and OpenSSL. Now run the command below to restart the Apache service and apply changes on PHP. Next, verify PHP extension file info, mbstring and OpenSSL with the following command. Additionally, you can verify the list of enabled PHP extension via php-info. Create a new php-info file with the following command. Now visit your IP address /info.php, check the extension file info, mbstring and OpenSSL to ensure those extensions are enabled. Log into mariadb-server using the command below. When you are logged in, run the following queries to create a new database and user. Next, run the following commands to verify privileges for user that you have created. Lastly, type quit to exit from the mariadb. Now let's install Laravel via Composer. First, run the following command to create directories. Now change the ownership of this directory to the user. Next, go to the next directory and install Laravel via Composer command below. Now open the env file using the nano editor command. Change the default app URL with your local domain name. Change the default database connection to MySQL, uncomment and change the database details. Lastly, run the next command to migrate the database for your Laravel project. Now let's create a virtual host for Laravel. Before creating, enable the page rewrite module with the next command. Then create a new virtual host configuration file with the nano editor. Add the following configurations and change the server name option with your Laravel domain name. Save the file and exit the editor. Now run the command below to activate the Laravel app-conf file and verify your Apache syntax. Restart the Apache services to apply the new Laravel virtual host file changes. After Apache restarted, your Laravel installation is ready. At this point, you're ready to access your Laravel installation via the host file. Visit your domain name with your web browser. If your Laravel installation is successful, you should get the following page. That's it, you have completed the Laravel installation. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.